Hi everyone, welcome back to Piyara. Today I am going to discuss about the functions of carbohydrate. Previously we have discussed the basic definition of carbohydrates, the classification and also the examples. So from the CSS book and from the first year biology synth board book, I have summarized all the functions of carbohydrates into four main points. The first point says that in a plant cell there is a cellulose. It acts as a protective covering. It also gives structural support and maintains the shape of the cell. The cell wall, which performs variety of functions, is itself composed of cellulose. Now what is cellulose? Cellulose is a carbohydrate. Moreover, if we discuss about the exoskeleton of arthropods, arthropods is actually the phylum which belongs to the insects. It is a phylum in which we talk about cockroach and snails and many other living organisms that are actually considered as insects. So in that phylum, there is exoskeleton present. That exoskeleton is composed of chitin, and again chitin is a carbohydrate. Now if we talk about the second point, it is written that it is a source of energy. It is actually the instant source of energy. Means when you might have seen that whenever we have to deal with the diabetes patient, when they feel like fatigue or they need energy, instant energy, so we recommend to give some sweet, some chocolate or another kind of sweet that might increase their sugar level and they will feel normal. So what actually happens in our mouth, there is an enzyme present, amylase, which performs rapid function and provide energy. In third point, it is written that it helps in the formation of nucleic acid. Specifically, we are talking about DNA. DNA is a genetic material present in all living organisms and is inherited from parents to their offsprings. You are aware of that word, so I am not going in detail, but in a general view, nucleic acid, which is actually DNA, it's also RNA, but here we are talking about DNA. So it also helps in the formation of DNA. Now it comes the turn of fourth point, which is written, it acts as a storage food molecule such as glycogen and starch. Glycogen is present in animals and it is also called as animal starch. Starch is present in plants, and whenever there is excess carbohydrate, means plant need 50% carbohydrate but there is 60%, so 10% will be stored in the form of starch. Similar case is present in animals. For example, human being, we need 50% carbohydrate, we have received, we have utilized, but 10% is extra. So we will store in the liver in the form of glycogen the 10% carbohydrate, and it will now be called glycogen. So these were the 4 points that I summarized. It was actually a paragraph, a brief paragraph, and I summarized it into 4 points. I think your concepts will be cleared. If you are feeling somewhat confused or you have any queries, so you may ask in the comment section. Thank you.